My name is Ritik Ranjan, and this is the graded assignment 1 solution of Introduction to Big Data. So the assignment task is to spin up a virtual machine, and we have to write a Python program to count number of lines of a file placed in GCS. So I have created a bucket over here. I have created week 1 bucket, and for the virtual machine, I have created one instance over here. So I will run the virtual machine. I have created all the files. So here's the output.txt file, test.py file, and week1 assignment.txt. I will show. I've written an 11-line poem in the week1 assignment.txt file, and in the test.py file, I've written my code to count the number of lines, and then in the output.txt, the result will show. So I will run my test.py file. So it calculates the total number of lines, which is 11. And it goes into the output.txt file. So we will see the output.txt. It shows total number of lines is 11. Thank you.